Hi, welcome back. Hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving. I know I did. I got way too much, so and I got leftovers. So this video is probably gonna be a short one. Want to jump back on this pan here and kind of reconfigure it, bend it a little bit, see if we can get it fit better to all the surfaces. And I'm still on the fence about the flange part. Should I redo it? Should I not? Let me know. But I'm definitely gonna be bending this a little bit tonight and trying to get it fit better. And I think we'll try to make these cuts, little pieces for those cuts with the templates we made the other day. And if we get that far, I think I'll be doing good. I need a couple days to relax, so I'm kind of eager to get in here, just knock it out, and be done for a couple days, and just enjoy my time off. But with that being said, let's go there and look at what we're gonna do. As you can tell, I haven't touched it since I went for Thanksgiving. But we'll pop this one out, bend this down a little bit more. You can see how it's kind of bowed up there. And actually may screw this down first, and this may need to come up more actually. But we'll screw it down, make sure it's flush, and see what we need to do. And then I got some 18 gauge scrap metal. We're gonna use the templates and cut out a piece for that and a piece for that. And we're gonna cut this, flatten that out, and practice some more spot weld on this piece. And if I'm feeling real good, and we may drill spot weld holes in this, but don't want to get that far tonight. I'll probably just be mainly working on this piece and practicing welding. But we're gonna take this out. I'm gonna put a screw in it, try to find the brace in here, drill one through there and probably one through here. Kind of get this set level with the floor. That way we know if this needs to go this way or that way, and if this needs to come up or down. So I'm gonna set y'all over here and start messing with it. we got this fitting pretty good. It's flush with this. Oops. Rocker panel should easily go over that. It's pretty good on our flange we built. Of course, you know, a little dip here, but that's because this is set inset. Little hole here, we'll have to weld that up. Fits pretty good through here. And I had to hammer this down a little bit, kind of push the metal in that corner there. I think once we get a couple more screws in it, it should be fine. Yeah, I'm kind of digging it. Get back a little bit. That brace, my weld's broke on it, so I need to push that back up level and weld it back so it doesn't fall anymore. I'll do that tonight too. But it's getting about time to go in, so I'm gonna pop this back off, weld that brace, and then punch some holes and try some weld in there. So let's get that off right quick. I don't know if y'all caught any of that, but hopefully I got a good weld that time. Doesn't really look like it. I need to learn how to weld. But anyway, there's not moving too much. I think this side's better than that side. It's relatively level. Good enough for government work, as they say. Gonna cut this, flatten it out, practice spot welds right quick. Not good at all. Got a little bit of penetration with these two, but yeah, that's not even connected right there. So that's what I don't want to happen on the Bronco. Well, I think they'll do it for me tonight. kind of disappointed with my welding. Kind of need to take a class. But regardless, we'll keep on dry fitting this up. I got that what I think is pretty good in here. Just has some issues with the that little corner that needs to be filled, and that flange. If it needs to be flanged right, maybe buy a new tool. Probably have to get one of those hand flangers next time. But if we need to do that and make that fit better, then, you know, so be it. I will, no big deal. Let me know on that, what you would do, what's the best way about doing that. But liking how the pan sits, and I'm liking how that all set. We didn't get to cutting the pieces out for the pan or putting the rocker on. We'll try to do that next time. We had that brace there break. So I tried to re-weld it. I don't know if it's going to last or not. But anyways, we'll continue on next time, getting this side together. And I'm going to keep practicing in the meantime on welding. If I don't get any better and we get to a point where it needs to be welded, I might have somebody that knows how to weld come in and spot weld everything for me. Depending on if they like it on camera or not, I may not get them welding if I do go that route. Hopefully I can do it myself. I'd rather do it myself, but I want it to be secure and not just pan just break off one day going down the road. But anyways, thank you for watching. Post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Usually something on the Bronco. We'll trying to get it done. If you have time, check out my merch store. It's in the description. I think I'm going to order me a mug and a couple of shirts to wear out here because I'm getting tired of wearing these faded old rags. But anyways, if you like what you see, please like, comment, subscribe. It's the best thing you do for the channel. Really helps me out, helps the channel out. And I'll see you in a couple of days. See you on the next.